The ancient Greek civilization that spanned over a millennium profoundly influenced Western culture and lives on as a testament to human achievement. Emerging after the decline of the Mycenaean civilization around 1200 BC and lasting until the death of Alexander the Great in 323 BC. This industrious era was characterized by remarkable advancements in art, science, philosophy, and politics. Originating from the lands of mainland Greece, the islands of the Aegean Sea, and the western coast of Asia Minor, modern-day Turkey, Greek civilization flourished and began spreading around 750 BC. By 600 BC, its reach extended from Spain's coasts in the west to Cyprus in the east, and as far north as today's Ukraine and Russia, venturing down to Egypt and Libya in Africa. Under Alexander the Great's leadership, Greek culture interacted with Middle Eastern civilizations, culminating in the fusion labeled as the Hellenistic civilization. Among the Greeks' many accomplishments was their mastery in art, especially in sculpture. Imbued with creativity, Greek sculptors skillfully represented intricate human forms, capturing emotions and patriotism. Philosophically, the Greeks pioneered political science by systematically analyzing forms of governance. Key contributors included Plato with the Republic, discussing justice and governance, and Aristotle, who categorized ancient governments based on their strengths and weaknesses. Mathematically, the Pythagorean theorem and Euclid's essential text elements served as foundations in geometry. In sports, the Greeks invented the Olympic Games and marathons, naming them from Greek terminology and constructing gyms and stadiums that continue to shape sports today. Historian figures like Herodotus, Thucydides, and Xenophon innovatively presented history not merely as a series of events, but as informative lessons. Herodotus's accounts of the Persian Wars stand as a testament to early historical method exploration, combining storytelling with analysis of religious, social, and familial contexts. In literature, Greek poets like Homer authored the Iliad and the Odyssey, setting the stage for Aristotelian literary criticism and transforming poetic understanding. The Greek scientific inquiries led to terminology and concepts that persist, with Thales exploring fundamentals and Aristotle introducing the idea of elemental particles, which influenced taxonomy, botany, and zoology. Religiously, Greeks revered numerous deities such as Zeus and Athena, who were invoked for aid and moral guidance rather than worshipped in a traditional sense. Greek attire was defined by simplicity, loose garments from wool and leather sandals. With men typically clean-shaven and women styling long hair and braids, this civilization's legacy continues to serve as a beacon of cultural and intellectual heritage.